Looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient car that won't break the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best used economy cars in the USA. Perfect for students, commuters, or anyone who wants maximum value for their money. The Hyundai Elantra is often overlooked, but it shouldn't be. With sleek styling, solid safety ratings, and a comfortable ride, this compact car delivers big. You'll get around 35 miles per gallon combined, and it's affordable to maintain. Used models can be found for under $13,000 in great condition. The Corolla is a legend in reliability. Known for its bulletproof engine and low-cost maintenance, it's a favorite for a reason. Newer used models even have Toyota's Safety Sense tech, including adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. Miles per gallon? Around 32 to 36. Lifespan? Over 200,000 miles easily. The Honda Fit might look tiny, but it's a space magician. Thanks to Honda's Magic Seat, it transforms to carry bikes, boxes, or even a small couch. It's a city driver's dream, and gets an impressive 33 to 36 miles per gallon. Great for college students or anyone who needs versatility in a small package. Want something a little more fun to drive? The Mazda III combines sporty handling with upscale interior design, all while staying under $15,000 used. You'll still get 30+ miles per gallon, and it feels more premium than most in this class. Best-in-class handling, you'll actually enjoy your commute. And at number 1, no surprise, the Honda Civic. This car does it all. Efficiency, reliability, tech, style. From daily driving to road trips, it's consistently one of the top-rated used cars on the market. 38 miles per gallon on the highway, and the resale value? Outstanding. There you have it. The top 5 best used economy cars in the USA. Whether you're saving cash or just love a good value, these cars have you covered. Let us know your favorite in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and reviews every week.